Let me show you the detail of my material. MM02, enter material is 101. This enter key, quality management fee is already there. Plant is 1000. Press enter key. And in the inspection setup, inspection type 01 is activated. Let me activate inspection type 07, which is for the audit inspection for a supplier. Select this, click on activate, and these are the default values which are maintained for the inspection type 07. You won't find the sampling procedure relevant indicators. It is a non-stop relevant. Stop posting relevant indicator is also not present. Quality score procedure which is selected is 05, weightage for the quality score of the characteristics. Click on continue and let's save it. Configuration once /n QCC0 enter. Quality inspection, inspection lot creation, maintain inspection type. For the inspection type 07, these are the settings which are maintained. The taskless usage which is there is 5, which means when I'm creating my inspection plan, the usage should be 5 so that the lot should be in the release date for the inspection type 07. Go back and we check the details for the default settings which are maintained for the inspection type. These are the settings just now we saw in the material master also. The same thing, even the origin need to be maintained. Maintain inspection lot origin and assign the inspection type. For the inspection type 07, the origin is 07. If you are creating a new inspection type for this, then we have to always assign the origin also to the inspection type. Normally it is same only, but in some cases you might have more than one inspection type under the same origin like in 01. Okay, let me go back. Inspection lot completion. We also maintain the selected sets for the usage decision, and my plant is 1000. UD code should also be maintained for the inspection type 07 codes which are maintained. These are the codes, and the quality score is maintained for it. Appropriate codes can be created for it. Okay, let me go back. We can check the plan for it. Okay, so /n QP02 enter. My material is 101 and the plant is 1000. Press enter key. Already one inspection plan is created for this material with the usage 3, but we can create a new one with the usage 5 because I need a plan with the usage 5 to be mapped with the inspection type 07. So I can go for the creation /n QP01 enter. Material is 101. Plant is 1000. Press enter key and click on new entries. Here I can specify my usage as 5 and status I can keep it as 4. Go to the operations, specify the control key as QM01 and some description. Select this and go to the inspection characteristics. Here I can assign one MIC which I have already created to check the documentation is correct or not for the audit purpose. Okay, press enter key. I haven't specified the sampling procedure indicator in this MIC. Let me show you the detail for this MIC. In the control indicator, it's a qualitative MIC, so characteristics attribute is selected and sampling procedure is not selected. RR change document indicator selected so that if the results are changed, the documentation or the log should be maintained for it. Even if the results are rejected, I want the documentation to be done for it. So that's why I have selected document if rejected. Okay. Continue, and the catalogs which I have assigned for this, created a catalog for the documentation checking purpose, where I have kept A as documentation is okay and R as documentation is not okay. Okay, so let me go back, save this. Now I want to create my lot. QA01, enter, material is this, plant is this. You need to specify the origin, and I want to create 07 lot, so which is supplier audit. Select this, press enter key. In this, you get the option to specify the supplier or the purchasing organization or the manufacturer, but you don't get the option of entering the quantity. Okay, let me enter the supplier as this short text. If you want, you can maintain it. Just press enter key. So in the inspection specification, my plan is automatically linked as I have a plan with the usage file, which I have just now shown you. Even in the sample tab, this button is disabled. You don't get the sample option. Let's save it. And if I go to my QA32 report, press enter key and click on execute. So this is the lot which is created and it is in the release state. Let's do the result recording for it, and first time I'm purposely accepting it. So accepting it, press enter key. Select accepted. Okay, refresh it, it is inspected. Go to the results once again, and if I click on change history, so at present message, there is no change document for this. Okay, so if you make any changes, then only the log will be created. I'm not making any changes here at present. And then we can do the usage decision for this lot. A complete list is coming. We can assign these selected sets in the inspection type so that it should pick only 07. Okay, I'm accepting it. You can see the quality score is already coming as 100. It is non-stock relevant. That's why there is no stock posting tab coming here in this. Let's save it. And if I refresh it, it is removed. Let's create another lot. Okay, with the same, which we will reject it. So I'm entering my supplier. Once again, the same only as this. Press enter key and then save it. Now again, if I go to my QA32 report and refresh it, so new lot is created. Let's do the result recording for it, and I'm entering my result as first time accepted. Okay, press enter key, accepting it, and if you refresh it, it is inspected. Let me make the changes this time in the results. So I can unlock it, and I have kept it that if I'm making any changes, the log should be created. Let me make it say rejected this time. First time I have kept it accepted, and this time I'm rejecting it. Okay, press enter key, continue. So this time, since we have maintained in the MIC, on rejection, the comment or documentation is required. That's why it is asking me to enter the comment. So I can enter the comment. Press enter key. Okay, let me again go to the result, and this time if I click on this change history, okay, because we have done the changes in this lot twice. Previously I have accepted it, and second time I have rejected it. And if you double click on it, you will get the list that the old value was accepted, but the new value is rejected. Okay, and in the case of rejection, I have also added the comment as the short text. We save this for the usage decision. Here the quality score is coming as 20, and previously when it was accepted, it was 100. So far I haven't entered the UD code for it. Let me select the UD code for it, R in this case. Okay, press enter key. Again, the stop posting tab is not there. Okay, save it. And now if I refresh it, it is removed. A report which can be used to vendor evaluation, because we have specified while doing the audit inspection our vendor also. MCVE, press enter key. My material is this, plant is this, period you can specify if you want. Okay, click on execute, select all the lots, okay, and I can specify my origin as say 07 for my material 101. Then click on execute. So these are the two lots just now which we have created, out of which one I have accepted and one I have rejected it. If I add few extra fields to see here in this, let's skip this. So for my first lot, the quality score is 100. For my second lot of 07, it is 20. Valuation was accepted, and in this case, it is rejected. Two lots are there. So total quality score is 120 and mean quality score will be 60. Same thing is coming here in this. Audit inspection, it is 60. Material weightage will also come. And for the good receipt inspection, it is coming as 100. So the total mean quality score is coming as 80. Okay. If you double click on it, it will give you these details also. And here you get the option to drill down further. Okay. So on the basis of what you can want, at present it is taking as a material. On the basis of supplier, select this. So it is giving you this breakup. Want to add few fields extra, select choose key figures. Okay, and here you can select, say, accepted lot I want, accepted quantity also I want, maximum numbers you can specify here to be added as 30. Okay, and even if I select, say, rejected lots, total quantity I am selecting, continue. So those fields will be added. And for the audit inspection, you can see the accepted quantity. In the quantity field, it is 0. Let me go back. If you want, you can save the analysis. At present, I'm not saving it.